If you watched my last video on how to create baby dance videos, you probably noticed that the tool I used was not free. And I know not everyone wants to pay just to test an idea or create content, especially as a beginner. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve the exact same baby dance results using a powerful AI tool right from your mobile phone. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to create baby dance content from scratch, you may need to watch the previous video I posted. The link will be in the description box. My name is Dolapo. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe if you like my content. First of all, you need to get your baby character. And I'm going to be repeating this part for the purpose of those who are coming across my video for the first time. My previous video explains it all, but let me just brief you on how to get your character. So you go to TikTok and look for baby dance video and screenshot any baby you like, right? You upload it on ChatGPT and then you say, give me prompt to regenerate this baby, but in a different color wrapper and hairstyle. She should be putting on beads to make her stand upright. And then ChatGPT is going to respond with a prompt to do so. After which I said, using the prompt above, generates the baby for me, 9:16 aspect ratio. And I got this particular baby. So you just go ahead and save, just tap on baby like this and click on save right here. So after that, I also wanted a different version of the baby. You can tweak your own description. You can just tell ChatGPT to give you different versions of the same baby. I said, can you rewrite the prompts to make the baby dress in an Igbo attire with edge here? I want a very beautiful image. And then it gave the prompt. It gave the prompt, and then I got this. This is another version of the same baby. So you can create different versions of the same baby look you get or you want to use. You can generate different versions of the baby to look the same, but with different attire, hairstyle, and all of that. So you can use that as your own identity on TikTok. So I'm going to save this one as well. We'll go to TikTok and look for a viral dance. I will just search for Igbo cultural dance in this case. You can just search for any dance, right? Any dance video. I'll be going with Igbo cultural dance. And then on searching for that, I will just go through and pick the one that I will want to use. So just pick any one of choice and then you click on this arrow and download to your device. After that, we'll just go to our browser. I'll be using Google Chrome in my own case. And then I'm going to search for this website and then look at what it looks like. On the mobile view, you may not be able to see the feature that we want to use to create our baby dance. So what you need to do is to change it to a desktop view. And how do you do that? You click on these three dots right here and then you scroll down a bit. You can see I have request mobile view right now. It's because I have already switched to the desktop view. So in your own case, when you're accessing the website for the first time, you will see request desktop view. And once you click on it, you'll be able to see it. You'll be able to see the desktop view. Can you see the desktop view like this? And you say this is how it looks like on the desktop. So what you're now going to do is you're going to click on this one create, this try now, tap on it and it will open. And once it opens, you still need to turn it again into desktop view. Can you see that? I'm changing it to desktop view again so that I can have that feature available. So once we have that, we're going to click on this part where we have generate and you scroll to the side, and right here, you click on this video part. Can you see we have video and we're going to change it to avatar. Okay, so you're going to click on this switch to video and then tap on photo animates. Photo animates, this one. And you need to wait for it to load that. So once it's on photo animate, you click on character to upload your baby character. So you choose from device, auto library, and you click to upload your baby. You wait for it to upload. All right, you can see the baby has been uploaded. And note that you need to sign into this platform before you can access it. So you need to log in and then you can use your Google Mail to access it as usual. Click on video and then also upload our video That is the dance we downloaded from TikTok. Click on done. I need to wait for a few seconds for that to be uploaded. And then you tap on this. All right, as you can see, it's going to place you on a queue. You need to wait for it to generate. And yes, I'll wait for it to generate so that we can continue. All right, you will need to wait. Like I said earlier, you need to wait. It takes a little bit of time. For me, I left it and came and checked the next day. I didn't check that same day, so I can't say how many hours or how many minutes it usually takes. But you can see right here that it's done. Just scroll to the side like this. Remember, we are using the desktop site version. Okay, so this is our baby here, and if I play this, can you see? So you come to this side, just scroll to the right hand side like this and tap this download. And here to ask you download with watermark. So just tap download with watermark and then you'll be able to download on your device. So if you're wondering how to take off the watermark, so look at where the watermark is. May need to take it off. So it's either you take it to any video editing tool of choice like CapCut or InShot. On CapCut, you can just place a text on it with a background, a little background with your name to cover it up, or you use the blur effects. If you're using CapCut Pro, just use the blur effects to blur it out and the watermark will be taken off. I hope this helps. Please like and share this video and subscribe if it is your first time.